Hello food lovers! Today we will make the homemade version of the Nacho cheese sauce. First you have to grate 200 grams of cheddar cheese. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter together with 2 tablespoons of flour and mix well until well combined. Add 250 milliliters milk and continue stirring until it starts to boil. Gradually, add the grated cheddar cheese and mix until it melts. For a chili taste, you can add chili sauce or powder. Preferably serve the cheddar cheese sauce while it's still warm. Bon appetit! Don't forget to like and subscribe for a new recipe every week. I would love to see your challenges in the comments in terms of what recipes you want me to cook. Bon appetit!